VRAM is critical whether you're rendering or running real-time engines, and most people don't realize that grayscale maps still load as full RGB textures. Even when they're marked as non-color, they cost the same as a color map in VRAM. Loading maps separately means you're paying for multiple full RGB textures. Packing them into one large image drops that VRAM cost by about 2/3, with no loss in detail. This sync prop uses a full set of textures. The normal map and base color are RGB, so they have to stay as they are. But I also have 3 non-color maps for metalness, roughness, and subsurface weight. Since grayscale maps are still stored as full RGB textures in VRAM, loading them separately wastes memory, and packing them into one image gives me the same result while using far less VRAM. I'm using GIMP to combine these textures. It's a free open source image editor, and the download link is in the description. First I select the metal map, then in the colors menu I go to components and choose decompose. Now I'll set the extract channel option to RGB and click OK. This separates the colors into 3 images with the naming conventions GIMP needs later to combine them. Next I'll select the roughness texture, copy it, and paste it into the green image. Then I'll merge it with the background. I'll do the same with the subsurface weight texture, but I'll put that one in the blue image. Now the red, green and blue images have a texture. With any of them selected, I can compose them in colors, components, and then compose. I'll choose the matching color for each channel and click OK. Now I'll export the combined image so I can load it into Blender. Back in the shader editor, I'll create a new image texture and load the combined RGB image. Then I'll set it to non-color. After that I'll create a separate color node and plug the new image into it. The red goes into metal, the green into roughness, and the blue into subsurface weight. I'll then delete the 3 old textures that were plugged in. Now the prop only uses 3 textures instead of 5, which is much more efficient. Hopefully this helps you optimize your modeling process and render bigger scenes with the same VRAM. If you'd like to support the channel, leave a like and subscribe for more Blender Bitstream. Thanks.